I had a member say to me the other day, she goes, "Steph, I hate walking. I hate it,
Mm.
but I love bike riding. Can I ride instead?"
Hell
I
yeah.
said, "100%. Why would you not?"
Mm.
So it's about picking exercises that you actually wanna do, because who wants to do
Mm.
exercises for the sake of doing exercise? I definitely don't.
No.
So it's finding what your flavor is, finding what you enjoy, finding how you can incorporate that in a fun and engaging way. Whether it's exercising with family members, with your kids, making games or fun activities with your movement, or moving with someone, whatever it might be, but it's making it more fun for you. And so you're more likely to want to do it and create that space that you can do it, whether it's listening to music, a podcast, whatever it might be.
Even for the people who aren't ready to do structured movement yet, as in like proper restorative stuff or modality stuff, bike riding, strength training, things like that, and they're just focusing on daily function, I actually still think you could employ some fun in that too. Imagine like brushing your teeth, but like dancing or listening to some music while you do it. It could just be walking around the house with your favorite music on versus treating it like a chore. The beautiful thing about fun is it actually relaxes our nervous system. You'd rather that than doing something like a chore with a clenched jaw, stressful thoughts, and then a really reactive nervous system that's not going to adapt well to the stimulus anyway.
Yeah, 100%. I really like how you said that. And I spoke to a member the other day and it made me laugh because she said, "Hey, I'm not really doing any movement yet, but do you know that pole that you stick into the ground?
Oh
It's got a
yeah.
piece of string on it and it's got a tennis ball." She goes, "I'm not doing any movement, but I want to do that with my son." And I said, "That is the most fun movement that I could think of,
Yeah.
100%."
Yeah, it's a good
That's her
game.
movement. She might do 5 bits of that, whatever it might be, but that's her movement. She's still moving. It's goal orientated. It's fun. She's now doing it with her son. How could you say no to that? Why would you not do that? So at the moment, that is
Mm,
her movement, and that is great.
amazing. Yeah, I also think it's important just for you guys at home listening who don't have access to that. Here's a couple of rules. The first rule is that you need to start with where you're at, which is what we said before. Just because a professional tells you this is where you should start, that doesn't mean you should start there. You need to tune into your body and know your baseline, know where you're currently at to do things appropriately, effectively, and safely for you right now. A good cue for that is that your health is maintaining, meaning that you're not getting any worse than you currently are, and you're not getting sick with colds and flus and things on top of what you're already dealing with. If that keeps happening, it's a pretty sure sign that you still haven't quite got it right and you're pushing and crashing a lot. And also, I just think, yeah, depending on what stage you're at, is dependent on what you need to do. I just love the fact that the body has so much wisdom and it will really tell you what to do, basically. If you really listen to it, if we get rid of the fear and the comparison and we get away from that noise and we really tune into the body, there's a deep knowing inside the body that says, I need this.
Yeah, and 100% your body will tell you. If you become bored or you're feeling stagnant or your body rejects something, it's because it doesn't like it or it's sick of it or it needs a change. Your
Mm.
body is so amazing at telling you what it needs. We just need to be able to listen.